Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be solving this question which is related to the grade 12 let's say curriculum from the public schools. However, let's get into it. So the question says, if you have a function f that is 2x minus 1, and then you have the composition function of g of f of x, so it's a composite of two functions. However, the composition is this, x plus 7, right? So the question says then g of 5 is what? Like, what number is g of 5? So as you can see from this question, it's a little bit tricky. However, I will try to provide a very quick and easy method for these type of questions. Okay, so first, you should actually analyze the situation. What do we have and what we don't? Well, f is given, so we know the function f, right? And then we have f and g together, so the total function is this. So one more thing I should say at the beginning. So this is a linear function because the power of x is 1. This is also a linear function, okay, because the power of x is 1. So we can actually assume that g is going to be a linear function. Okay, now enough talking. So we want to find g of 5, right? Okay. However, g of f of x is given, which is x plus 7, right? Okay, so we want to find a value of x or of f of x. Let's say y, we know always, we call it y, f of x, we call it y, right? So we want to find the value of y. Okay, so now I have to think what value, if I give it to f, is going to give me 5. So what do I mean by this? So this is 5, right? And we know that y is f of x, so this is 2x minus 1. Okay, again, since we assume that g is a one-to-one function or a linear function in particular, so we can say these things inside the brackets are also equal. So simply, I can just say what? I can say 5 is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, so now we do have an equation, right? So from here, if I solve this, so I move 1 to the other side, so I get 6, and then 2x. And simply, if I divide both sides by 2 like this, so 3 is equal to x. Okay, so I got the value of x. You might be wondering, is it even like beneficial? Well, you do have the value of x, right? You want the value of y. Well, simply plug the value of x in y, okay? But remember, what is y? Y is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, so we have y equal to 2x minus 1. Again, what was the value of x that we found? It's 3. So just put it there, right? So this becomes 2 times 3 minus 1, like this. Okay, so if you put 3, you get what? 6 minus 1, which is 5. So the value that we found is actually true, okay? So I just checked if it's true or not. Now, to find g of 5, okay, so g of 5. So g of 5 is the same as saying g of f of, what value did we found? 3, right? So remember, g of f is x plus 7. So we put 3 instead of x. So it becomes 3 plus 7. So the whole thing becomes 10. So g of 5 is actually equal to 10. Okay, so this is my first video doing this stuff. So if you find this helpful, let me know so that I can do more of these type of videos. And next time I will try to actually do it in less minutes, let's say 2 minutes, like that. Okay. See you soon.